وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. My honorable elder and younger, my dear brother and sister, you know our topic is continued for a few days, the 7 worthy of paradise. On Judgment Day, Almighty Allah will take these 7 under His wing and protection. They include the just Imam, a youth engaged in prayer, a person who is linked with the masjid heart and soul. For people who become friends for the sake of Almighty Allah, they are bound by ties of friendship only because of Allah. Fifth, a person who has rejected the solicitation and love of beautiful and distinguished women, fearing the punishment of the Creator. Sixth, a person who gives alms in secret and never boasts nor talks about it under any circumstances. Seventh, a person who is in solitude remembers the Creator with fear in his eyes. The first 4 qualities have been described before. Today, our part will be started from the quality of fifth. A person who has rejected the solicitation and love of beautiful and distinguished women, fearing the punishment of the Creator. So, today, the fifth is the person who rejects the solicitation and love of beautiful and distinguished women for fear of the Almighty Allah. It is truly befitting for a Muslim not to give in to temptation and lust. It will keep him from the tortures of hell. There are many traditions on this account. One of them says, he who keeps away from lechery and debauchery will surely go to paradise. I do guarantee that lechery never ends well. This is something every Muslim should always remember. Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam warned that a debauchee acquires 6 bad properties. 3 of them are manifested in this world, 3 in the hereafter. Here are the properties manifested in the lifetime. First, the face loses its attractiveness, light and warmth. Second, daily bread is reduced. And third, life becomes shorter in the hereafter. He, he will be faced with the wrath of Allah. Second, he will be severely called upon to account for his actions. And third, he will burn in flames. Almighty Allah, all the Muslim save the punishment of this kind after the hereafter. And in this world, Almighty Allah, by His grace and kindness, all of us to save these evils, and He protect us from the every kind of sins. Here it should be said that there are different forms of lechery and debauchery. As for instance, taking something dirty with one's hands, going to places banned by the Sharia, was dropping and spying, etc. Consequently, these are things a true believer should not do. Why? Do we consider such acts as lechery? Because they are bound to lead to a bad end. The Sharia condemns these vices which tend to corrupt not only separate individuals and families but also mankind, and that can have unpredictable evil results. This is why Islam severely condemns the debauchee and the profligate and sentences both of them to death. I pray to Almighty Allah, He may save us all the evils which lead to the hell. Almighty Allah, may all of us bless. Wa khudawana anil hamdulillah.